Today you're looking at our 2005 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, that's totally custom. The pearl light blue paint, 24-inch weld racing wheels and tires with Brembo style brakes. Got Sony engraved aluminum door handles. TVs in the side mirrors. This truck was built by the Sony Corporation in 2005 for the Sema show out in Las Vegas. Custom taillights, rear park assist. Everything you could hope and wish for from an Escalade. Got Borla exhaust. Again, everything on this truck is custom and it's very, very nice. Only got 15,000 original miles on it. Xenon headlights, custom hood and grille. Now let's get to the good stuff. As you can see, it's got custom interior, blue marble dash, beige leather with the blue suede inserts, steering wheel controls, got your factory sunroof. For all your gaming needs, you got your Sony PlayStation 2 in the center console. Got your power windows and locks, custom door speakers and tweeters. TVs and all the headrests, 10 TVs in total. Custom installed amplifiers under each of the rear seats. Two 22-inch TVs, 4 Sony Explode subwoofers, another PlayStation 2, and then 4 Sony amplifiers. There's tons of details on this truck. Feel free to give us a call, 515-282-0123 if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.